By rubbing the kernels, we assess the quality. This specific durum is perfect for our Korean-style noodle production.
Okay, the weighbridge is clear now. Bring the tanker forward slowly to the sensor, and we need that bill of lading.
Here we see the first stage. High-frequency screens remove coarse impurities before the air classifier separates the lighter chaff.
The moisture content on this batch looks perfect for the Korean line.
Noted. The texture seems consistent as well.
All right, hold it right there. Apply the brake.
We are ready for the first pallet on this side.
We are analyzing the starter cultures to optimize the fermentation process for the Korean noodles.
The flow rate is holding steady at the target volume.
Excellent. The mixer is almost ready for the water input.
The signature ripples are formed here in the waviness unit, where advanced technology ensures every strand dances in perfect synchronization. The continuous stream of noodles moves rapidly along the high-speed conveyor belt, utilizing advanced Korean technology for precise portioning.
The transfer mechanism is perfectly synchronized with the fryer input.
Yes, the consistency is remarkable.
The color gradient is perfect right here. Yes, the golden tone is exactly what we aimed for with the new drying cycle.
The temperature is perfectly stable at 180 degrees.
Yes, the filtration is running smoothly. We are good to continue the run.
Look at how clean the noodles are. The residual oil is exactly within the Korean standard.
Excellent.
Utilizing advanced Korean-style technology, the high-speed rotating brushes ensure a thorough and hygienic clean for all produce.
This freeze-drying process locks in the nutrients, essential for our advanced Korean-style noodle technology.
The precision of these micro nozzles allows us to dispense the exact amount of golden oil before the hermetic sealing process begins. The check weigher ensures precise weight. Any off-spec packets are gently diverted, maintaining the high standard of our Korean noodle technology.
The quality check is complete. We can proceed to the next stage.
This buffer ensures a strict first-in, first-out sequence, crucial for quality control in the packaging phase.
Check the synchronization on the layering sequence.
It's perfectly aligned, well within tolerance.
optimizing the steaming process here, we can significantly improve the output.
And enhance safety along the conveyor system.
I'll update the protocol immediately.
Smells incredible, doesn't it?
I can't wait to try these noodles.
This is absolutely delicious. The broth is perfect.
It really is. So savoury.
Best noodles ever.